Hi, good day and welcome to another video. Today's video, what we're going to do is take off all of the speakers and drivers, remove the backdash, which will be the pod, the riser, whatever you need to call it, from the E25, and we're going to take it to the fiberglass guy who's going to use back the same base behind, which have all the screws and line up, and he's going to cut out the top and he's going to put back the new molar, new fiberglass for 8-inch and the 2 tweeters. So still I'm using my phone, so I'll have to keep you in the loop of how it goes. Alright, so this is it here. It's done. Everything is out, as you can see. The horn, the speakers, all the screw components, the drivers. This is it here. So we are now going to look to organize ourselves, and we'll be off to carry this to be redone.
2 days later.
So this is the speaker pod after it come from the guy who did the fiberglass. So as you could see, you have the place for the one of the tweeters and the 4 8-inch and another tweeter over here. So now this is to go by the painter. Okay, so I ended up buying this spray paint to spray the bumper because the straightener is charging too much to paint it, so it becomes a do it for yourself project. So I'm going to use this to now spray paint, no clear coat. It's a cheap way of doing it. Once I'm happy, once I'm pleased, I'm happy. I'm not doing this to please nobody else. They do it in a cheap way too, so you know, I don't care what people think. Once I'm happy, that's the main thing. So I'm going to use this and spray the backdash. This is one coat, and you still have like half tin in it. So just had it dry. It dry for an hour, and then I'm going to put back our next bit on it. So while the speaker backdash is drying, I would just like to show you what I'll be adding on with the previous 2 tympanos. So this is the next 2 to add up to 4, and this is the tweeters I will be using. When I went by RIK Trading, which is located in Marabella, Trinidad, they gave me some brochures. So I got this brochure on the mid-range, some of the other products from the 6-inch to the 6-inch slim, the 8-inch slim, the 10-inch slim, and the 10-inch pro. They also have 6x9s. Neo magnet line, they have the EQ, super tweeters, drivers, to the back, subs, coaxial speakers, and the horn drivers. Alright, so I also got this, plus they gave me another one with the amp line. I'm not too fond of using the amplifiers, but it was nice to have this. As you can see, it's a brand from the PRV group, so it's a Brazilian brand. These are the tweeters, and these here are the two grills which I'll be using, in addition to the next pair I got, which is in the butt at the moment. So I'm waiting for the backdash to dry, give it a third coat, spraying it for myself, and should be after lunch I will start the installation. Alright, so this is it. We installing the backdash. Right now, we have both set of wires outside. We're going to install the 4 8-inch and the tweeters in a bit. Right now, who I have assisting me is my best friend Jay. So the last time everybody know we had Cassie. Cassie's not here, so
don't mention top, we are bad. Don't mention wicked, we are sweet. Our song playing nice, and yet the song boy, oh, come.
So as you can see, this is it. 4 8-inch tympanos, 2 tympano tweeters. I adjust the setting on the Soundstream Tarantula monoblock amplifier, so everything is playing perfectly until we upgrade to the Rockstud 4-skate. This is it. I will give you a sound check, so let's take it to the sound check now.
Bless. I'm Willie Williams representing sound called Solid Rock. Let's big up the man called Professor and Brent. Original.
Tell me, have you ever tried reaching out for the other side? I may be climbing on rainbows, but baby, here goes. And where I'm going to, nobody knows. But let me tell you, dreams are for those who sleep, and lives for us to keep, yeah. In case you're wondering where this soul is leading to, I'd like to make it with you. Some other sweet caress, my baby, some tenderness, to let you know I love you. At nights I hold my pillow and dream of you. I'm wondering if you love me true. But let me tell you, dreams are for those who sleep, and life for us to keep, yeah. In case you're wondering where the soul is leading.
So this is it. 4 tympano 8-inch, 2 tympano tweeters, with the same system I previously had with which was playing the BNC. It's very loud. Should be much more cleaner when we install the Roxel phosphate amplifier, and we will have to stick back that dust cap. But besides that, the grills are here. Everything is sounding amazing. Thanks to everybody who assisted. Jay, Akil, Kevon, Leon, Cassie, family, friends, Nikisha, everybody who played a part in this and the support. Thank you so much. There are a lot of people I cannot call, but you know, this could not be done without them. As you said, I'm the Cassie coming back. Yes, okay, so thank you very much for joining. Please, this is my review. This is something I like sharing to show people brands and different products to have out in car audio. This is not the only thing I post. Drag racing coming up. I will be showing more drag racing, more drift events. You know, I'm just that outdoor person. So thank you so much. Please like, comment and share. To those who have their different opinion, I apologize. This is just my review, my comments. I respect yours, so I'm gonna try out different brands and post it up and we could all interact. So thanks very much. Until the next video, take care, bye.